Yes, children, today we are going to study about another unit, that is biotechnology. It is one of very interesting unit given in your plus 2 biology. Biotechnology is an interdisciplinary science which involves knowledge of genetic engineering, biochemistry, as well as your microbiology collectively. When we study biotechnology, then you see we should know the critical research areas of the biology, and that is what is there are three areas basically. What we do actually, you see, when we start anything, when we study anything, then the question is why we are studying that. What benefit? Everybody thinks that what benefit we are going to get from that, and only knowledge, no, we want certain job career option also. So for that, you see three critical research areas are there, and that is what number one is providing best catalyst in the form of improved organism, usually a microbe or a pure enzymes. Then what else is there? Creating optimal conditions through engineering so that to get catalyst. And you know that the catalyst, what they do, the catalyst, they are responsible to speed up the reaction. Then what happened? What else is there? The third one is downstream processing, that is of the technology. That is the last step. When we purify any substance, when we finally go for the packaging, that is the last step, which is again very, very important. So let's start with that. Again, we will be starting from agriculture. As you know that lots of chemicals are being used as a fertilizer these days. And chemicals, you know, has the side effect. So to avoid that, so what we are doing actually, you see three options are there if we talk about the agriculture that can be thought for increase food production. That is agrochemical based agriculture. Then what we do is, then we think for the another one, that is the organic green agricultural practices. Then what we do, another one is green genetically engineered crop based agriculture. This is what the new expect in agriculture these days, children. Now see the term green evolution. What does it mean? Green evolution means tremendous growth of the agricultural product, that is the green revolutionary step. Now see, if we say yellow revolution means oil revolution, oil production. White revolution means milk production. And then blue revolution means that is fish and all these production. So coming to this one is, yes, so fish production. Aquaculture, we are talking about the aquatic life and all. Pisciculture, only about the fishes. Means why we are looking for all this? Because these are the different approach to get the food. As we know that agriculture needs land, and you know the position of the land, urbanization, these all, you know that we are cutting the tree, deforestation and all these. So what happened finally for the future, we are now focused towards the microorganisms, and lots of harmful effects like pest, effect of pest, effect of insects on the crop field is another a big question. To solve that, we are modifying the crop in different manners through the biotechnological methods. So what happened? We started modifying the organisms because, you know, farmers, the condition of the farmers. Why? Because they are not able to, we cannot control overall the seasons, right? Rainy seasons may have, then rain, and then some other the natural calamities. So what happened? Just to make for certain reasons, that is to make the crop for the better survival, uh, we can modify the animals and the plants, and we are doing it. You see, when we modify any plant or animal, then we use the term GMO, genetically modified organisms. Now the question is why we modify it? Maybe because of many reasons, as I was telling you, that farmer is always thinking for the weather because he knows that there is a direct impact of weather. And then pest, then insect, lots of these all enemies. So what happened? We go for the GMO, that is genetically modified organisms, to maybe make crop more tolerant to abiotic stress, right? Or maybe just to reduce the reliance on the chemical pesticides. You know that chemicals have certain side effects. And then what we can do is we can help to reduce the pest even. So that is the pest harvest loss, whatever the loss is there, losses are there. Then what we can do is efficiency of mineral usage by plants can also be achieved, and moreover the nutritional value of the food can be increased. We already have good examples: golden rice, vitamin A enriched rice. BT cotton is one of the very good example to have a control on pest. So this will be the part of our next module, children. So in this, you study about the that is the introductory part of the biotech, that why we are going to study biotech and what the benefit we are going to have if we study biology.